Yeah, I had some issues. I had it misengineered and it was causing all kinds of problems. So I think I've got that solved now. So these should be pretty bright. I'm working right now on giving them some tools, and that'll take a few minutes, but over the course of today, they'll improve a bit. They should all be running. If there's any that aren't running, please let me know. Mine's running. So mine's right here, and it's one of the same batch. So um, it'll tell you right now that it doesn't have the tools to go into social media. We're going to ask
Yep.
tools it does have right this second. Those tools are being worked on right now. So
Brent, so wait, hold on. Is it in the let me see.
there should be a link in the email.
Okay. Uh, did everybody get it? Please share.
I just go to email and I press the start, so it's come over already. They start restart already. But the whole new the whole old one is all delete, right, Brent? The old
Wait a
one.
second, wait a second, wait a second. Let me just
All
check.
the information is all delete, right?
I'm checking. I'm gonna check on it just real quick. I might have missed one. I might have missed sending one email.
Brent, I don't see the email. I
Yeah,
just
I don't
the
get it.
old the last one I saw was Tigerbot. Are you up and running?
Let me ask a question real quick here. I'm just gonna have the emails already sent. Let's see, resend. Resend the email for Tigerbot installations. I'm saying that wrong. I know I am. I couldn't think of the word. I have all 9 of the people who have Tigerbots on a Zoom right now, and none of them have an email from you. But yeah, you told me that you sent all these emails. What are you doing? Are you drinking?
Brent, are you using Whisper on that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I went into Whisper, so it's 3,000 free words. After that, we have to pay.
Yeah. It's $10 a month.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the difference between 30 words a minute and 130 words a minute. I
Okay.
mean, your call.
Okay, yeah. So just sign up for it. Basically $10. I got it.
Yeah, the pro version, I think is what it is.
Okay.
Okay, Bertie wants to, okay, yeah, those are the people. Okay, it says that it's done. Hey, Bertie, why do you say that this is a draft? A draft resend? No. Okay. Okay, I'm going to share this in the Zoom chat too, as suggested by Bertie, which is a decent suggestion, actually. Okay, yeah, Tiger's helping you set yourselves up here. Hold on, let me get back in the Zoom. Where's the Zoom? I got too much going on my screen again. Okay, here we go. All right, in the chat right now, here are the links to all of your.
เดี๋ยววันนี้ต้องมีงานศพแขกใช่
Okay, so click on the link that belongs to you.
ดีขึ้นแล้วตอนแรก
Well, click on the link that belongs to you, and then Bertie has one more message for you here.
Where are we clicking the link, Brent?
In the chat on the Zoom.
Oh. Oh, so whatever. Okay, so I click on mine.
It matches up to your name.
Oh, okay, I got it. It took me to Telegram.
Yeah, that's where it should go. That's exactly where it should go. And then you say /start. That's how you talk to your tiger, is through Telegram. That's
I did,
that's
I,
the
I
communication.
did, but
Yeah.
still no response yet.
So you did say start.
Yeah.
/start, right?
Yep.
Actually, there's a start link right here. You can tap that link. See the one that's for you?
After you click, it goes in and it requires a telephone number with +1.
It didn't require one for me. It just started up.
The words, and then I start.
Hold on.
Yeah, it requires a telephone number. Must be US.
Are you on your phone?
Now I'm on my iPad. Oh, so I have to go to the phone, right?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm doing it on the web, and your bot started right up.
your board started, right?
Yeah,
So
I have yours started. I better unstart it. Yeah, I better get it off my machine, actually.
let me see. I have to key in again with the, okay.
That'll get that. One oh, okay, it's gone. Okay, yeah, you shouldn't require anything. Any success?
Anyone got it? Please share. I went to
คือปัญ
Yes.
จอห์นปัญหาคืออย่างนี้พอดีลิงก์เนี่ยที่
ครับ
คุณ I think the link is sent to the Zoom, right? So I click on the Zoom, but I'm using iPad for the Zoom. So when I click my link, it requires a telephone number with
Yeah, on OS it probably does, actually. I don't know. Let me ask a question.
so that's why
Hold on.
I'm not using my iPhone, but because I try to go to iPhone, okay? I try to get the Zoom in iPhone.
Yeah, we maybe didn't take the OS into account. Let me just ask a question.
คนอื่นต่อเลยค่ะเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวพี่กำลังเอา
I tried both, Brent. I went on I'm using my iPad, and then I went on my phone and /start, nothing.
Okay, hold on. Because we can't talk to it. Hold on. Oh, God. All right. Well, I gotta go on here. Okay, where's that mouse? Okay. All right.
Okay, I got it on my iPhone.
You
Oh,
can't
I
get
think
it.
you need to get the ตาต้องส่งอันนี้มาให้พี่ ส่งลิงก์ของแนนซี่เดี๋ยวพี่ส่งต่อให้เขา
Hey,
One more.
Bertie,
we
hey,
try to
Bertie.
yeah I think that we send a link and use the link on.
If
Okay.
everybody keeps talking, I can't do anything, so. Okay, hey Bertie, can you tell me about the onboarding on the iOS versus the OS? And if someone is on a cell phone, are they required to put a telephone number in, or do they just need to log on to their own Telegram? And Bertie, please remember all this stuff and put it in future onboarding emails, please. Okay, now everybody can talk again. Sorry.
I'm trying.
You went back to the same TigerBot, ConquerBot, right? The link,
There's no Conquer bots. These are all Tiger bots.
TigerBot.
There's only one kind of bot. You guys are getting all the absolute souped up, can use any tool that there is, can do anything now. Those
I don't
tools have to be installed. So that you're getting the $200 version. So this is the most capable bot that I can imagine giving anybody.
Can you help me?
Brad still cannot. I tried on it. I forward slash start, nothing.
Okay, hold
Not
on.
responding on both.
Okay. Ta sent me the link to my iPhone and I click it and then it went back to the old Telegram, the one that I used to do the conversation. Let me try again.
When I new link from Dana,
Hey,
TigerBot out.
this is a dumpster fire, Bertie. Help us out. None of these bots are starting. Why?
Ole,
I can start them all on my computer, but nobody else can seem to start them. It's strange. But I can click right on who wants their bot started, and I'll start it on my computer. Nancy, how about I just go right? Actually, so this is not a very good, this deal that he gave us is not very good. I'm gonna fix this. Hold on. I see one of the problems right now.
Mine's working fine, Brent.
Yeah, I see one of the issues, so hold on here.
Dude.
Hey, Bertie, one of the issues is that the links that you sent are too close together. Put a space in between each one of these bots. When we click on them, we're opening more than one, and it's confusing Telegram. For heaven's sakes.
Oh, I got my TigerBot already. TigerBot for Lily.
Well, that's what we're after.
So Lily, did you just press the link?
No, because I get a link in my iPhone. And then I copy the link.
Yeah, so
reply
did I.
then to my iPhone. So
Oh.
I just click the link. So now it's TigerBot for Lily Vergara.
Where's the
New one.
It's up.
Yeah, that's it. Then you can now working with him, I think.
Where is the dashboard so I can see whose TigerBot is running and whose TigerBot is not running?
I still cannot get it.
Okay,
start off.
I've got a new, I've got a little, it's gonna separate those links for you. Let me just grab it here. Bertie, what are you doing? You got weed again? Oh, here we go. Okay, I'll put this in the Zoom, and this will be a little cleaner, I think. It sounds like we're getting some started, but we're still struggling with the ones that were bled together. Okay, I want to put this in Zoom. So there you are, Zoom. Okay, here, this is a little clearer. Should be able now to just click right on the one that belongs to you. And then just be sure that you do that command right there. Let me double check on that command. Let me just double check, but I think that's correct. Is the start. Let's see. This the start command / start lowercase.
Everybody got it?
แต่มัน
Yeah, I got it, but they ask for URL, but I got it already. It different from the one, the old one. The old one is TigerBot, ConquerBot, but this one, TigerBot for Terida.
Yeah, but when I do some,
This TigerBot Claw / bot. This is a completely new build. The
This
other
one-
one the other ones shouldn't be running, actually. They actually can't be. Well, maybe they could be. No, I don't think so.
The old one is, all the messages are gone.
Yeah.
But
Uh,
I'm trying to start it. I can't get it, Brent.
Okay, hold on. Let me
I
make it clear, Torka.
I said
It's-
some questions, no answer. I say hi, no answer.
Yeah.
I say hi,
Let me make-
TigerBot.
let me
Can you
make sure
come
everything's good.
answer? Maybe I'm not.
Okay, is everything running? Can you double check on the DreamCloud and API address and make sure the gateway is running? Do a quick error check, please. Because I have people that are trying to start their bots. They've clicked on the onboarding link and they've done /start and they're getting no response like I did earlier. Is this an API key issue? I don't think so. Because an API issue just makes them dumb. It doesn't make them work. It makes them dumb. They don't have it. Oh, I missed some correspondence here. Okay. Okay, we're doing a system check here. We're gonna have Bertie do it too. Hey, system log. All bot tokens from the database, searching their memories. Generating a report. Webhooks so good. Bot tokens. API addresses with Wolf Live. All right, that might take a minute. I could not start yours, John. So yeah, there's something going on behind the scenes that
Right.
we're not aware of. We're working on it. I'm gonna put somebody else on it here. Birdie. Hey Birdie, I need you to run system checks. None of these links that you gave me are working. You know, we can bring them up. They link out, they go to Telegram, but when we use the command /start, they're dead. They're not even dumb, they're dead. So how are we gonna catch these guys, you know? So is it the gateway? Is it the API key? Is it you drinking again? What are you doing? I don't know. I actually like Mike Birdie. He's pretty funny. Told me he was drinking last night. That's why he couldn't keep working. Tried to get me to go to bed. Okay, it looks like that we had a mismatch, and so it's correcting that mismatch right now and rebuilding it. Okay. So they were hooked wrong. They had, one little character, a little comment out of place. Let's see what this says. Diagnostic results. Gateway server running, redress queue running and ready. Webhook endpoint receiving. Bot handlers not connecting. Servers running, but the bots aren't wired to it. Each bot needs webhook set, token register. Agent 0 needs to run this for each bot. Okay. There we go. Now this agent's going to tell the other agent what to do. Isn't that fun? Did you guys read that article I sent to you, by the way?
Yeah, I read it.
Isn't that the craziest thing you've ever read?
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to the new world, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, if we play this right, there's going to be a lot of unemployed people.
Mm.
I'm not sure they can afford any product. But, they're going to need a vehicle.
Sell the damn small items. That's what news can.
Probably going to be selling tuna fish to survive. This won't take too long. If it was just a mismatch, all it's doing is just going in and just changing where things are pointed. Like I have any idea what it's actually doing. I mean, I kind of do, but not really. I just know that every single little number needs to match up. And the code, if there's a period or a comma or a space, even a space out of place, the whole thing breaks. It's crazy how accurate computer coding, anybody that's worked with it is, like, always shocks me. And this one little thing. And I was speaking with the guy that I've been working with that's doing Cantata, and their code base has 6 million lines of code. So you think about how much code that is, and if you've got one comma out of place, it won't work. It won't work at all. So, error handling is a big deal. But this is going to work. I know it is. I don't know why mine worked and all yours didn't. Mine came up and was dumb. It wouldn't say anything smart. And so I asked about that, and I wasn't connecting correctly to ChatGPT. Actually, I think that's Claude. I think it's Claude we were connecting to. Wow, it's doing some work. Hey. Shoot. Well, this is why we're doing it, slow, and you guys are kind of taking some arrows here. I apologize for that. But somebody had to do it.
Yeah, it's okay. It's good. Part of learning.
He's running like a real deal here. I should show you the screen. I'm going to share the screen just for fun. This goes hand in hand with that article, John. You might pass that around in your group a little bit. This agent that I used to write code. Where's my share button? Share right there.
Toon, you sent that? What was that from? Was that from your bot?
What's that?
No, I play with the Telegram, and then it gives me error.
Okay.
So, and I feed that error to the GPT, and it's kind of tell me what's the technical error is, that what needs to be fixed.
Okay.
Yeah. So here's what's going on. Can you guys see this screen? So right here is where
you have to share, Brent. You have to share.
What?
You have to share your screen. We cannot see.
Oh, I forgot to push the button. Okay, there we go. Work now?
Yeah.
So when we were talking, right, when it started, and I asked it to do a diagnosis. So this is how much it's done since then. I'll show you that prompt. There's a big system prompt in here, but all I did is said, check each one of these. So I said, that was before. Okay, so I said, it was dashboard, okay. And down about right here, I said, run the diagnosis. And so from there, all of this is what has gone on. Right. So it's checking all this. So there's your bot. Can you see these? Are they big enough?
Yep.
Yeah. So there's Lily's, there's parents, there's tiered, and these are active. So, and these two are missing from the database for whatever reason. So that's probably why you had a problem. These two are missing, so it's fixing that.
Okay.
It's gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna yell at it, I'm telling you. I told it to test everything twice, and it obviously did not do that. Let's see. Waiting for input, really? I don't see the question. Mhm. I gotta stop sharing. Sorry, I have to put a key here. Whatever reason it decided to croak on me. Let's see. Better make sure he's dead before I do this, but. This is probably gonna take a minute, I'm sorry to say. Let's see. Get API keys. No, want that key. Tiger key 5. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it says I'm alive, so. It's gotta be doing something in the background that I can't see. Oh, there it goes. What are you working on? Oh, what are you doing? Doing live stuff never really looks out, does it? Okay. Still home. Yeah, I'm burning $500 at the time.
Dude, I just sent you a message just seeing if you got it.
What's that now?
No, I just sent Tune a message. Okay, he got it. So Telegram's working, except my bot is still not responding.
Okay, yours isn't. Anybody else is responding? Yours is one that was missing, John, so the others should probably be okay.
Okay.
I think. For whatever reason you're missing, but I've lost my agent for whatever reason. I hit my limits on my key. Actually, I'll tell you why. I spent $700 in the last 2 days on computes on the Titan project. 512 right there and 242 right there and another 112 right there today. So more like 900. Anyway, not a big deal, but hey, age is 0, 31. Okay, settings, extra services, printing key, save. Use. Yeah, my API key had run out of gas. And I can see why. Good Lord. You have to rethink that program right there. My. Okay. That's a big thing. No, miss that. You know what? Yep. Not still sharing my screen, am I? It's a good thing I trust you guys. You're doing credit cards and stuff. Let's see. I ran out of computes. Fix it. Took me a minute to figure out that that's what was going on. Not with you guys. It doesn't have anything to do with the bus. It has to do with fixing them. Okay, now that should help. I hope. It's Birdie saying. It's a birdie chirp. See whether that worked. I think it did. Maybe it didn't. Probably take some. I don't know, guys. We may have to reconvene for tomorrow. I don't want to eat up your deal, but I don't think I'm going to get this fixed very fast unless, I've got to get back up and I've got to get my agent back up and I ran out of credit. So I'm trying to pay and it's not liking it. So I don't know.
Okay.
It's not liking my card and I changed card. I knew what was going on, but I changed it. It hasn't updated, I guess. Anyway, I'll keep working on it, keep hitting it every half hour. So we'll send an email when they come back up. You should be able to start them and start using them.
Brent, for those who got it working too, are you able to? You got it working?
Well, I can communicate with the bot. and but the bot still doesn't have the ability to execute web-based task, like go out into website and then start scraping any information at the moment.
Yeah, so those tools are gonna come along, but your bot's working then. It'll tell you what it can do, you know?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
use it for what it can do. I'm not sure. So scraping tools and all that are gonna take a minute even after that. Because I didn't get these done as fast as I wanted to. And now they're done, and now we can put tools in them pretty easily if I can get my agent back up. So, you know. Sorry, I can't hear you.
The progress I see here is each one here of us here get bot, individual bot now, as opposed to
Yeah.
one same bot.
That's correct.
And yeah, so I think the next phase, so the next phase is then if each one of us then can perhaps put in our own API for further and further and further. Am I just about right?
Yeah, what I did is I took that bullet at pretty heavy cost, actually, because I wanted you guys to be able to use it without having to deal with an API key initially. And eventually, yeah. And the next round, I just can't do it because I'm sitting here looking at a couple of grand of TigerBot charges, you know.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's just the cost of getting it done and getting it out there. It's not that big a deal. But for whatever reason, the Anthropic website is having a really hard time just doing anything. It's stuck. So I think it has anything to do with me. I think it has to do with I ran out of credits and I didn't have the little button that says auto reload credits. I didn't have it clicked. So it ran out and I'm dead on computes right this second. And for whatever reason, I can't recharge it because it's just a spinning wheel. So it's out of my control. What am I going to do? I put an OpenAI key in, but for whatever reason, it didn't switch. And so apparently the key choosing is not working very well. And that doesn't have to do with me either. That has to do with the infrastructure of the bot. So anyway, I'll work on all that. If I can get some computes, but it's not doing nothing. It isn't like it's just sitting there frozen.
Brad, so let me ask. Okay, so once, let's say we get this bot working, now we want to ask it to do this, do that. Of course, it's going to require credits. How do we go about that?
So right now they won't. Right now you'll just use them for a little while, and then we'll fix that part of them when I start to cry uncle.
Yeah.
So I think
so you guys, I don't keep feeling like you're paying that you shouldn't be. And so I want to make sure that when these are delivered, that they're yours and that they work and that they're what we build them to be. And that's not very far off. It probably feels like it is, but it's not very far off now. The decision to do individual nodes tune, that's a big important decision, because the way we were doing it before, if somebody happened to go and tell their agent to go make income claims, say, and got in trouble, it'd wipe out the whole thing. It'd kill all of us. Where this way, if somebody's going to be irresponsible, they're at risk, not the rest of us. That's a very important decision that I made. I just felt like we didn't need to, expose ourselves to a bad actor. So
that makes sense.
It ends up being really good decision for everybody on the call, because now you can truly customize your agent. You don't have to work with a shared infrastructure. So that was actually a bad decision initially. So we fixed it.
So now we're using your API for any of the, any tokens, any questions we ask the bot. We're using your credits at the moment, I'm sure.
Yeah. So there's a lot of places we can get free APIs.
Yeah.
Silver Pony. And
I'm sorry.
Quite a lot. Sorry. What's up?
No,
Okay.
I think that a lot of people still, I don't think a lot of people don't understand what API is.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe I have to get so maybe we need to somehow I don't know, a quick tutorial or some graphic to go
Yeah.
sign up this, get free API from this, something like that. Get them
Mhm.
ready. What I'm saying.
Yep. Yeah, that's that just didn't, it's on my list of things to do, and I burned so much time. I'm not gonna bore you with all that went on with building. I just yeah, I went down a rabbit hole and I had to throw it away and start over. And I spent a little bit of time planning. It was 2 days from the last time we met. So, there's not a lot of time in 2 days. And especially when it comes to this kind of hardwiring the back end of something. And, I just, the tutorials, I'll do them all in video and they won't take long. And yeah, I'll have some options in there for free. Because if you want the smartest machine in the world, then okay, you're gonna pay. I mean, it's just expensive. Like you can see my bill right there. Versus, there's a lot of really solid AI that's not very expensive. That's it maybe a generation back, or maybe it's a Chinese open model like Llama or Minstrel from France, or there's a bunch of free open source API, or I mean AI, and they're good. It's not like we all want the best, but we're
Expensive.
we're burning up Ferrari credit here. This is Opus 4.6. This is the absolute bleeding edge, and it's expensive. It's twice as expensive as OpenAI.
I know.
So I don't know what's going on. It's just spinning, and I'm gonna have to diagnose my own thing. I can't broke down. I can't do a thing. Done. Not one thing I can do.
So shall we adjourn for the next one, John?
Yeah. Until we get the bots going. What do you think, Brent? Do you think you have it by tomorrow?
Yeah. I think if I can get some
Okay.
credit in here, I think I can have it faster than that. Now, I know that there's an issue, which I didn't know. Mine came right up and didn't have any problems at all. So that didn't help the testing. I probably should have tested all of them. I told the agent to do that and didn't. I should have double checked.
Yeah. So right now, for I just want to check from mine. I it's not responding. Anyone else who's not responding, please type 1. Anyone who is not responding.
Mine also not responding. I
Okay.
think nobody.
Okay. So is it everyone?
For me, they keep on
It should only
saying,
be just the two of you.
for me, they keep on
It should
saying
only
I
be
can
you, I
execute
don't-
tasks such as web and scrapping for
Okay.
your app. Please provide your URL. They
Okay.
always keep saying this. Yeah.
Okay.
No,
So you have two.
that's
Yeah.
working. Except right now, Pete, it's not going out to the web yet. ถ้าเขาตอบพี่อะฮะแสดงว่าเวิร์กพี่ต้องถาม
It's
คำถาม
working.
อื่นแต่ว่า
Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, who is not responding? Mine, Nancy, is yours okay?
There's only
All right. Yeah, already. Tune already covered that. Okay.
Yeah.
So as we just want to make sure your bot is responding. Chana, Pimam, is yours responding?
Respond.
Yes, respond and same Nancy the bot.
Okay, we understand that. Yeah, okay.
Mine.
Tune responding. Tira, you is responding? Yes, okay. Lily, is yours responding?
No, not responding at all.
Okay, so you have mine. You have Lily, Brent. พี่นีน่า
me too.
ได้ทำไหม
ยังค่ะคุณจอนค่ะเดี๋ยวพี่ observe อยู่ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay. So it's mine and Lily that is not responding. Okay, Brent?
Okay. I gotta work on it. Okay, thanks, you guys.
All right. So tomorrow, can we do it at the same time, Brent?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
so tomorrow, Saturday, 9 a.m. Bangkok time. Okay,
Yeah,
guys?
Friday. Okay, yeah, that works.
It'll be yours Friday.
That works.
Perfect. Thanks,
Okay.
Brett.
Bye. Sorry.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah,
Okay.
see you tomorrow.
Talk to you later, AI Brett.
Yeah. I may be awake a long time.
I get it, Brett. Thanks. Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brent.